What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the NOCO Boost Sport Jump Pack. This is the 500 amp version. What you see laid out in front of you here is not everything it comes with because I've excluded the box and the manual. And I assure you, you're not going to need the manual after I show you how to use it. So what we have here is the motorcycle size battery clips. This has been used a few times. These have been holding up pretty well. This is your charging cable. It's the type of plugs that are featured here on the end. And you can plug this into any USB, whether in your car, or you can always use a cell phone cube. But we're going to get this out of the way so we can focus on the main product. This is the unit itself. And what we're going to need to do now is to grab a tape measure and get exact dimensions. In measuring the unit, it looks to be approximately 7 inches long. Let's see how wide it is. Approximately 3 1/4 wide. Now, how thick is the unit? It looks to be about 1 3/4. So, getting started. The button right here is the power button. Go ahead and click that. You have the indicator light indicating that the unit is on. And you have the charge lights indicating the charge of the battery within the unit. Green light is obviously full, red is low. When the unit is completely low, this light here on the end will begin to blink red. Moving on. This button right here is an override button. You will use this if the battery you are attempting to jump is completely dead. To use this feature, you will click and hold. You will hear a click sound, and then you will see this light here flashing, indicating that it has in fact gone into the override mode. This here again is showing your voltage. To turn it off, simply click and hold. Now we're back into the original mode. Moving forward, this light here that is in the shape of a traditional light bulb is your light. As you can see, it is a very bright light. But this light actually has a few features on it. Clicking the button will shuffle through the features and the different modes of the light. All right. Now we can move into how the unit actually connects to its cables. You're going to have here at the end this big plug. We'll go ahead and unplug that. And while I'm at it, I'm going to turn this off just to save my power. Then you will have the battery connector cables here. And this is the little clip that protects them. I've gone ahead and popped that off. And to hook it up to the machine, you will simply plug it in. Make sure you press in firmly until you cannot press anymore. You would then turn the unit on and connect this to your battery. Obviously, red to red, black to black. Hook up the unit. And if the battery is not completely dead, it would now be ready to jump the battery. But if the battery was completely dead or the voltage was too low, once again, you would hit this button and go into the override mode. Once the vehicle is started, you would unplug the unit and turn it off. Get this out of the way. That was just what I was using to hold the unit up while we filmed it. And we'll put our plug back in. Now, this is how you charge the unit. This is your USB out, which you can be used to charge cell phones or any other product that has a USB plug-in. And to use that, you would plug it in and you would hit your power button. This is USB in. This is how you actually charge the unit. You would plug in your charging cable. And you would plug this, the other end, into some type of USB power supply. For storage of the unit, it comes with this nice little bag that has the logo of NOCO on it and says since 1914. So we'll go ahead and slip everything in there and show you what that looks like. Put in our battery cables. Can be a little difficult. All right, everything's in. And we will pull the drawstrings to draw it all closed. All right, and there you have it. It all packs away conveniently in its little container here, well, bag. Pretty tough little bag, but there is something you need to be aware of when using these bags. See how everything is kind of thrown in there? What can actually happen is the unit can get turned on accidentally within the bag. So you have to be mindful of that too. And a good thing is that if it does get turned on accidentally, it will have this little light. And this little light in the dark, you won't be able to see it here. Oh, you can see it. Will shine through and you'll be able to see that the unit is on. Not a big deal, but I don't like the idea of it actually accidentally getting turned on, but you just have to be aware of it. So there you go. You have the Noco Boost Sport. I would recommend this product. I have used this product on both a motorcycle and a lawnmower. At the time of purchase, it was about $75, but I'm not sure what they are now. I will put the link in the description. Thank you for watching.